What is Australia's capital city? A. Canberra, B. Sydney, C. Victoria. The correct answer is A. Canberra. What is Australia's common bond? A. Citizenship, B. Friendship, C. Mateship. The correct answer is A. Citizenship. The Australian government is also called A. Federal government, B. The Commonwealth government, C. All of the above. The correct answer is C. All of the above. Who represents the King of Australia in the Northern Territory and is appointed by the Governor-General? A. Administrator, B. MP, C. Councillors. The correct answer is A. Administrator. Who appoints the Governor-General as a representative of the King in Australia as advice from the Australian Prime Minister? A. The King, B. The Parliament, C. None of the above. The correct answer is A. The King. The Senate in the Australian Parliament is also called as A. The Upper House, B. The House of Review or the State's House, C. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. It is a freedom in Australia when people are free to follow any religion they choose. A. Freedom of association, B. Freedom of speech, C. Freedom of religion. The correct answer is C. Freedom of religion. Who has the highest authority in Australian courts? A. Judges and magistrates, B. Jury, C. Police. The correct answer is A. Judges and magistrates. Who is an elected member of a local council in Australia? A. Mayor or shire president, B. Minister, C. Councillor. The correct answer is C. Councillor. This means that people should be tolerant of each other where they find that they disagree. A. Mutual respect and tolerance, B. Equality of rights, C. Fair go. The correct answer is A. Mutual respect and tolerance. It is a freedom in Australia when people can gather freely with others, including to protest against a government action or an organization. A. Freedom of association, B. Freedom of speech, C. Freedom of religion. The correct answer is A. Freedom of association. It is a freedom in Australia when people are free to join any legal organization, such as a political party, trade union, religious, cultural, or social group. A. Freedom of association, B. Freedom of speech, C. Freedom of religion. The correct answer is A. Freedom of association. It is a freedom in Australia when people are free to say and write what they think about any topic and to discuss their ideas with others. A. Freedom of speech, B. Freedom of association, C. Freedom of religion. The correct answer is A. Freedom of speech. Even if a person is also a citizen of another country, an Australian citizen within Australia must follow all Australian laws at all times. A. True, B. False. The correct answer is A. True. When there is conflict between Australian law and religious law, what law must prevail? A. Religious law, B. Australian law, C. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Australian law. Who maintains peace and order in the Australian community, protect life and property? A. The police, B. The lawyer, C. The councillor. The correct answer is A. The police. The signed bill by the Governor-General is called A. Royal Assent, B. Proposed Assent, C. Law Assent. The correct answer is A. Royal Assent. How many senators in each state of Australia? A. 12 senators, B. 11 senators, C. 15 senators. The correct answer is A. 12 senators. In Australia, this might mean taking a meal to an elderly neighbor, driving a friend to a medical appointment, or visiting someone who is sick, frail, or lonely. A. Mateship. B. Friendship. C. Courtship. The correct answer is A. Mateship. Some religious or cultural practices, such as polygamy, being married to more than one person at the same time, and forced marriage, are against the law in Australia and can result in severe legal penalties, including imprisonment. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. What is an important responsibility, right, and privilege of all Australian citizens aged 18 years or over? A. Voting in federal and state or territorial elections and in a referendum. B. Apply Australian passport. C. Ask for consular help. The correct answer is A. Voting in federal and state or territorial elections and in a referendum. The second largest number of members in the House of Representatives in Australia is called A. The Opposition, B. The Coalition, C. The Minister. The correct answer is A. The Opposition. Who is the leader of a state government in Australia? A. Mayor, B. Premier, C. Minister. The correct answer is B. Premier. The leader of the opposition in an Australian government is called A. The leader of the opposition, B. The leader of the minister, C. The leader of the House. The correct answer is A. The leader of the opposition. The key decision-making body of the Australian government is called A. Cabinet, B. Cabin, C. House. The correct answer is A. Cabinet. How would you value English language as the national language of Australia? A. To learn to speak English because it helps to get an education, a job, and better integrate into the community. B. It does not really matter in Australia. C. Just speak your native language all the time. The correct answer is A. To learn to speak English because it helps to get an education, a job, and better integrate into the community. Who is an elected representative of a state or territory in the Australian Parliament? A. Member of Parliament, B. Prime Minister, C. Senator. The correct answer is C. Senator. This means listening to others and respecting their views and opinions, even when they are different from your own. A. Mutual respect and tolerance, B. Equality of rights, C. Fair go. The correct answer is A. Mutual respect and tolerance. Who represents the King of Australia in each state? A. Governor, B. Mayor, C. Premier. The correct answer is A. Governor. It is a freedom in Australia when people are free to meet in public or private places for social or political discussion. A. Freedom of speech, B. Freedom of association, C. Freedom of religion. The correct answer is A. Freedom of speech. What is paid out of the money you earn, whether it is from a job, a business, or investments, and collected by the ATO? A. Tax, B. Interest, C. Savings. The correct answer is A. Tax. According to archaeological record, when did Aboriginal peoples arrive in Australia? A. Between 10,000 and 15,000 years ago. B. Between 40,000 and 65,000 years ago. C. Between 20,000 and 30,000 years ago. The correct answer is B. Between 40,000 and 65,000 years ago. How many total senators in the Australian Parliament? A. 76 senators, B. 86 senators, C. 66 senators. The correct answer is A. 76 senators. A parliamentarian in Australia who do not belong to any political party is called A. Independent, B. Freeman, C. Politician. The correct answer is A. Independent. Australians believe in peaceful disagreement and above all the right to be safe and free from violence and intimidation. A. True, B. False. The correct answer is A. True. When did the European settlement started? A. When the first 11 convict ships arrived in Australia on 26 January 1788. B. When the first fleet arrived in Australia on 26 January 1888. C. When European ships arrived in Australia on 26 January 1988. The correct answer is A. When the first 11 convict ships arrived in Australia on 26 January 1788. What is the rule of law in Australia? A. Religious groups are under the law. B. Government leaders are above the law. C. All Australians are equal under the law. The correct answer is C. All Australians are equal under the law. What is Australia's national flower? A. Golden wattle. B. Golden wattle. C. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Golden wattle. The House of Representatives in Australia is also called A. The Lower House, B. People's House, C. All of the above. The correct answer is C. All of the above. Australian government operates separately from churches or other religious entities, which means A. The government of Australia is secular. B. Australian government depends on Christian community. C. The Australian government has only one religion. The correct answer is A. The government of Australia is secular. What are the usual colors of the uniforms of Australia's national sports teams? A. Green and gold. B. White and red. C. Yellow and black. The correct answer is A. Green and gold. Who are responsible for an area of Australian government called portfolio? A. Government ministers. B. Chief ministers. C. Prime Minister. The correct answer is A. Government ministers.